Alright guys, so Sabar Sound just dropped an amazing pack. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what's in that pack, because I know you guys love some amazing free packs. All this Afro Mara, this has some fast drum groove. So yeah, I'm just gonna drag this tempo of 150. Wow, that's crazy. 150. And they put the percussion loops, so in case you just want to go without the kick. Yeah, nice, which is nice. That's nice. Then the melodic loop. Yeah, so something like this. Nice. I don't see myself. Will I use this? Maybe I might try using this in 2026. Yeah, so a vibe like this so fast. So you have this. Playing like this, I'm just hearing some dance moves in my head. Yeah, they don't have. Yeah, so then we have some vocal loops. So yeah, so that's it. That's what the first one of the packs sounds like. I have this also. Yeah, those are some nice leg walk vibes. Then they have the horizontal Afro pop. This one's a MIDI. So for the MIDI, I'm just gonna load in Thai keys. Yeah, so that's. Yeah, so these are just MIDIs. So in case you love MIDIs, you could get that. They have the Afro drums, some nice Afro drum vibes. Yeah, just that for this Horizon Afrobeat drums, it doesn't come with construction kits. So it's just the drum loop itself. Yeah, then we have the Horizon electric guitar. Yeah, so this pack is actually free, so you can just go check it out and maybe get one or two you like from it. Just bringing you updates in case some of you guys must have not seen the updates. Yeah, so Sabar Sound, they drop amazing packs, so you definitely want to go get this for free and enjoy creating this festive period. Thank you guys, and see you guys.